The precious is finally here. I mean, the precious will be ours. Now, if you don't know that reference, you're probably too young, or you've been having a pretty good snooze under a Flintstone rock. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this quick unboxing for the Aura Glow Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So like I mentioned earlier, this is the Aura Glow Note 10 Plus, and you can tell by the color of the S Pen that's on the lid of this box. And this is my acronym for the Note. Now, if you have a better one, or if you like mine, please comment in the comment section below. Or like I said, if you have another one, post that in the comment section below. But the N stands for niftiest, the O stands for original, the T stands for tech, and the E stands for ever. So niftiest original tech ever. That's my acronym for the Note. If you like it, again, go ahead and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And if you have a better one or a different one, go ahead and post that in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and open up this box. All right, here's the Note 10 Plus. And there's that Aura Glow look to it. Or the color, should I say. Pretty dope. And the camera is not doing it justice. It looks pretty dope in person. Let's put this aside for now. Put this aside here. So here's your 25-watt charge brick. And you can actually purchase the 45-watt charge brick, and I think it's about $49 on Samsung site if you want the faster charger capabilities. See here, it's your micro USB Type-C charge cable and your AKG USB Type-C earbuds. You can see that right there. So again, there's no headphone jack, as you're more than likely aware of, but these are the earbuds that comes with this. And again, it's powered by micro USB Type-C, and you just plug that into the charge port of your Note 10 Plus. And let's see, I believe this is your injection tool for your SIM card. Get back to the phone. So take a look there. So that's your top microphone, your speaker, the top speaker, and then your tray for your nano SIM card and your micro SD card. And on this side, there's no buttons, as you're more than aware of now. No buttons here. And over here, you have your volume rocker and your power/Bixby button, which can be remapped so it just serves as a power button. And then that's your S Pen, and then your speaker grill. And then that's your USB Type-C port, and also your bottom microphone. So you have your 3 camera lenses, and then you also have your 3D depth camera lens here, and then your flash. And as you can see right here, here's the punch out for the front facing camera. So I'm gonna power this on real quick. Now, I didn't want to just bore you with the specs, because that would take a lot of time aware of. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the Note 10 Plus Aura Glow color. For the first screen is going to say, as you see there. So this was just my quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Also stay tuned, as I'll be posting a follow-up video for the WizTech Covert 3 cases, so that way you can see how this phone looks with those cases installed on it. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.